Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to back up Google Keep Notes. First of all, you can open the Google Keep Notes application. I can already open the app. After opening them, you can just simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. And here you can just simply add the title of the note, or you can just simply write the note. And after this, you can now tap on refresh at the bottom right corner of the screen, and this is the way you can create the Google Keep Notes. And if you want to back up this Google Keep Note, you can just simply hold on the notes, and now you can tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now you can tap on copy to Google Docs, and here you will find the option open. Now you can just simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. You can see the option available offline. Make sure that you enable this option, and this is the way you can back up Google Keep Notes. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes some browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.